Listen, if you have a laptop, it means that you are sitting on a business. Yes, all you need is one laptop and a hassle to change a lot of things around for you. I know you may be confused when I say this, but there are lots of laptop owners that are actually working full time with their laptops and making good sums of money from those laptops. The only difference between yourself and these people is the kind of information they have access to, which you may not have. And that is the main purpose for today's video. I want to share with you information that will help you transform your laptop from just a device to something that is able to bring you some sort of income. Now, among the many things you can do with your laptop to make some money, I want to share with you my best 3 bets. Now, these 3 are things you can start on your own and you don't need so much of training to get started with. All you have to do for today is grab that laptop and then consume the information that I'm sharing with you for free in this video. Now, because we want to focus on genuine ways to make money with the laptop, we need to understand that the monies we are going to make from the laptop are monies going to be paid to us by ordinary people or businesses who appreciate the value we are providing with those laptops. If you take any business in context right now, there are 3 major things you can do for these businesses, and I want you to learn how to do these things with your laptop. Provide that service for these businesses, and that is how you establish an income source with just that laptop and your internet. So the first thing I want us to look at has to do with helping businesses with their online brands. It may look big to you, but people started just from zero, and today they are making loads of money building websites, setting up social media handles, setting up Google business listing profiles for people who are running their businesses. And these are things you can also do to make money from that laptop. It may look very complicated from the beginning, but if you take even one of these 3 things I'll be sharing with you, it is capable of changing your life for good. So let's look at web design, for example. Every business, no matter how big or small they are, need a website at a point. So what you have to do is commit at least 4 hours every day for the next 2 weeks. All right, you can even do it for the next 30 days. Jump on YouTube, grab a YouTube video that talks about how to build websites. You can start by building websites with CMS platforms. The popular one is WordPress. With the use of Elementor, you can build high quality websites, and businesses want to pay you money for these things. The average web designer will be charging like about $250 to $500. That's about 2,500 to 5,000 Ghana cedis. It means that laptop sitting somewhere in your wardrobe, always lying on your bed, is capable of getting people to pay you that amount if you put in the hours to learn the skill of web design and help the businesses with that particular skill. Point number 2 you can also consider has to do with social media. Yes, a lot of businesses are paying people who have laptops and they understand social media management and social media marketing day in, day out. Now, if you're able to provide results for these businesses with social media, if you're able to save them time, they would want to either employ you or hire you as a freelancer and pay you real cash, because businesses want to save time, but at the same time they want to get results. So if you put in 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours every single day, commit an entire month into learning social media management and social media marketing on YouTube, free courses, it means that you will become valuable. Your laptop now will become an asset because it is going to bring some sort of revenue for you. So all you have to do, pay attention to YouTube channels that teach about social media management and then digital marketing. Listen, it will not take you months. It will take you weeks for you to experience visible results with the skills that you are acquiring. Before we move to point number 3, I want you to know why it is important for you to take this information very serious. Now, no matter the kind of job you have right now, no matter the kind of skill you have right now, what I want you to know is that Africa is moving to that era where digital technology will take charge of everything. With the evolution of AI, everything is actually moving faster. So it is better you advise yourself and make proper use of that laptop so that in the years to come, you can also find yourself useful with the skills you have acquired based on watching this particular video. Now, because evolution is coming faster, we have to make sure that you enter the market, the digital marketplace early, so that you can also grab some dominance before everybody else will be doing it. The final point is helping businesses with a bit of automation and also a way to manage their business. Now, there are people that I know personally. Their full-time job is to help businesses set up QuickBooks, CRMs, POS systems, and run their business operations on these systems. So if you're someone that has basic knowledge in IT, you think you're a bit technical, you don't want to do websites, you don't want to do social media, you can tap into helping businesses automate the operations, manage the operations by also mastering a few skills. There are people that were selling Excel templates, Excel sheets to people for accounting purposes and also to run their businesses. Now, these things are changing. People are moving from Excel to real softwares. And if you want something to do with your laptop, other than just watching Netflix with it, it means you can also tap into the businesses of learning the kind of softwares businesses want to operate with so that you can also learn these skills and help the businesses set them up. And they are going to pay you to stand by and provide the support they need. This particular point will take you a lot more months to learn, but this is also a very rewarding skill that you can actually acquire. So now that you have all of this information, what you have to do is get to work. You need to start something, get your first client that is willing to pay you. And that is how you're able to grow to your 10th client and then possibly factor some sort of leverage. Now, sometimes along the way, your journey is going to get tough and you're going to have to outsource some of these tasks. If you are even somebody that is not willing to waste all of the time to learn all of these things, you can learn the basics and you can get the deals to outsource to other people that are highly skilled. That is how you come to understand the business you are getting in with your laptop. Remember, your laptop is the only capital you need to get started with this. So instead of waiting for the perfect conditions, you have to remember that the moment that you acquire a laptop, it means that you are sitting on a business. So take action today, get started, and let's see the magic you can do with that laptop you have with you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.